Tai Chi is just so wonderful. I think everybody should give it a try.
I love Tai Chi.
Tai Chi is a gentle form of exercise where you basically move slowly, yeah, gently, and sometimes at advanced level in slightly complex positions too. But you never stop at one place, you're always moving throughout. I became teacher because when I started learning Tai Chi, it helped me a lot. I was working as an architect before, and the health benefit that I received from practicing Tai Chi for health programs inspired me to become a teacher myself.
It is meditative in nature, so it helps in focus, concentration, good memory retention. From the meditative aspect and from the health aspect, it has many-fold benefits and preventive in controlling many diseases like maybe diabetes, arthritis, heart diseases, neurological diseases, and especially I want to mention at this point of time, immune response system is strengthened by the practice of Tai Chi. Myself, Sylvia Das.
My name is Kartikey and I welcome you all to come learn with me at Openhouse.